Hang him and rob him. I mean, if you want.
What is that person doing? You can't turn. That's a one-way.
Oh, this is going to be fun. I got the dash cam. This is going to be entertaining.
Do we want to sit and watch?
Yeah. I gotta wait anyways. Oh, this is going to be a problem.
It's going to be like, oh, aren't you guys going? No, we're here for the show. I like when people telegraph.
He's doing it. No shit. Give him a thumbs up. There you go, right there. Look.
I was about to say.
Wow, that's great.
Wow, he's like in the perfect.
He's gonna get somebody
like,
lovely.
Yeah,
lovely.
the perfect section.
Oh, you'll put this away. I think he's coming.
You're lying.
Oh, I think he's gonna get that beamer, nigga. He definitely is coming though. He pulled out. He pulled out. He's definitely coming though. He pulled out.
How do you pull up so fast?
I think he's seen the other nigga flying. That's him right there. Look, he's going for the beamer.
This one?
Look.
Oh.
No, he's going for the BMW. There was a BMW. Got that, buddy. What is going on? No, he's going for that BMW. There was a beamer booking it.
That's
What? Oh my God! What the f, dude? Are you serious? Pull up here.
Nobody said it was easy.
Et aller vers le sud, dans les changements, on va voir quand même un petit ralentissement. Les gens vont passer dans ce secteur-là. Maintenant, ceux qui empruntent la 40 en provenance de Repentigny ce matin, il y a un ralentissement depuis le secteur de la 640.
A więc więcej słońca i temperatura nawet do 50 stopni Fahrenheita w sobotę, czyli 20 słońca w naszym mieście. I uwaga, przedstawiam temperaturę na najbliższe kilka dni, czyli
Oh yes, they
sobota,
did.
10, niedziela,
Oh my God.
40.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. Just
Okay,
a little shaken up.
don't be like, you know.
Zachmurzenie duże.
Holy shit.
That was scary.
Chicago, jak to zwykle bywa.
Heavy traffic. That's traffic on Cities 97.1. This report is sponsored by the Home Depot. Find new special buys of the day every day only in the Home Depot app or on HomeDepot.com. Today, get great prices on kitchenware and more, including a 15-piece stainless steel cookware set for $150, plus
Uniquely Twin Cities.
Hi, we're Green Day.
On your radio at 97.1. It is pink and on your smart device. Cities 97.1.
I'm not a